What was the total?
$40.
Wait, that's $40?
Total.
For all of it, yeah.
Oh, because the rice is 20.
Yeah. Yeah, the rice was 20, and then the chips are like $5, $6 each, and they didn't tell it was it's like $8.
In Cobb County, Georgia, police responded to a Walmart store regarding a former employee caught stealing through skip scanning at self-checkout.
Okay. Gotcha. You just run to the car real quick. Good, how are you?
Good, right? You can go. She's here now. Just as long as you're female. You staying?
Yeah.
Okay. Appreciate you. Thank you. How much hurt your ankle anymore? Somebody partied too hard and missed a step and darn near broke her ankle.
Thanks.
Not at the moment. So whenever anything's over a certain dollar amount, and when y'all don't have IDs, we have to call the police. Okay. Because we have no clue who y'all are. Oh, yes, sir. Plus the dollar amount. Okay. We have to. So we're going from there right now, then we'll get you going.
Not the rest of
I know you act like you're about to scan it because you took the gun off, but then I don't know if y'all talked about it and said, no, let's not do it. And you never did. So I was hoping you did. It's $21 just for a bag of rice. We have to call the cops if anything's $25 or more. So if you paid for that, but you didn't pay for this, even if you didn't pay for that, and y'all had ID, you would just go home. Why would you have to call the cops? But because you don't have ID, you could say you're president, and I don't know. But y'all been cooperative, so they know that, so we all can try to work stuff out.
What was the total?
$40.
Wait, that's $40?
Total.
For all of it, yeah.
Oh, because the rice is 20.
Yeah. Yeah, the rice was 20, and then the chips are like $5, $6 each, and they didn't tell it was nuts. It's like $8.
Your groceries are expensive now.
We make rice all the time, but we get it from like the international market.
Yeah.
And holy cow, it's like $40 or $50 for it.
Good for.
Are you want me to make it small?
No, it's fine. Or you can keep it on in it, just in case they pop up. Are you sure we never did?
I just...
So are you just on leave? Or are you like, were you planning on coming back after school? Or did you quit to just go to school?
No, I was on leave, but I don't, like, I stay at school, like,
All the time now?
no, yeah,
Where at? Kennesaw?
no.
Did you work here?
Hmm?
She used to.
Where do you go to school?
In Cartersville.
Okay. Mm-hmm. Steady, not crazy though. Traffic's been horrible today though, with that one the lane being closed to paving. My God.
It took me 15 minutes to get this last half mile.
The red light.
Turn left on the 92. No, down here.
No, I know. No, the red light up here at Target. If you're coming out of Target, turn on to Cobb Parkway. The line was literally backed up to the Target building. I was like, holy cow! It took me 15 minutes to get from Target to North Cobb High School. It's like, no, thank you. It's ridiculous today. I probably sat at each red light for like 4 or 5 cycles. It's felt like I'm like. is long.
It is. That's it. You can go back and build it on and give them a nice little.
Are you taking this? Want me to take it? I know what you were doing.
Oh, no. I was
Okay.
just here because of the
Okay, I was like, I
notifications.
didn't know they were here. Okay. All right, you're all on the call and everything.
Yeah, and it is.
Okay.
We'll get all your stuff ready. We just don't really have IDs because they don't have an ID.
All right, give me a second. I'm gonna just it's $40.
It's, the exact dollar amount is $38.74.
Okay. On radio. Can you run a CH on both of those subjects?
10-4. Negative CH for both subjects.
10-4.
Ever 210 copy signal 86 Zone 435 2 Iron Trail, 435 2 Iron Trail. Complainant advised his wife, signal 27 is signal 88 to the residence. Report. He did advise signal 69, 28, and 38. 78 on the wife of the Suzanne Sanchez, white female, black PJs. Okay. 10-4. On comment, complaint advised negative 69, 28, 38.
Go for it.
Unit code 4.
Go for it.
10-4.
All right, Miss Keith, Mr. Keith, and Miss Sylvia. We're gonna, instead of arresting you, I'm gonna release y'all on a citation. Okay. You're still gonna be charged with shoplifting less than 500. It's a misdemeanor. You will have to appear in our city court. Okay. We have a court date of May 11th at 9 a.m. I mean, do you have to appear? Failure to appear. Oh, you need their names?
Yeah.
Yeah. Failure to appear will result in a bench warrant for your arrest. Okay. Get all that. That one's yours, Sylvia. That one's yours.
That's ours. That's my good.
Do you have any questions about that?
So what happens when we go to court, you know?
It'll be like an arraignment, so the judge will explain what the charges are to you, and it's kind of like you'll decide if you want to plead guilty, not guilty. Can't give you legal advice. It's going to be up to you when you get there. But the first court date will be like an arraignment. But you do have to appear.
Okay.
So,
Y'all done?
Oh, we're hot.
As far as Walmart, I believe that they can leave the items, these items.
yes, yeah,
Okay.
they pay for all that, they can take that.
Good for. So yes, y'all be good to go. And they say y'all can take these items. So just be sure y'all show up for that court date. May 11th. It's on the bottom right. It's May 11th at 9 a.m. And the address and phone number to the court and everything are on the back. So it's not fine. Like I said, it's not a fine you can just pay over the phone. You'll have to appear in court on it. So
Oh, that's not a fine?
no, it is a fine. I'm saying it's not like a regular ticket. You can just pay it and not go. Like you do have to go. But all that will be set by the judge.
What's crazy is I didn't even recognize her.
How long ago has she been gone?
Before I came back, she went on leave. So I've been back since November. So she probably been gone October-ish. But they have her stealing stuff. But we were supposed to, I was supposed to.
Before, like as an employee, she was stealing stuff
Yeah.
too?
Be okay. 3 different days.
And that's why I was.
That was last year?
Last year. Yeah.
So that's why I'm gonna talk to the judge.
And y'all didn't? Okay, yeah. I can put that in the report. I didn't know that. I guess, yeah, I mean, she was never charged
By the
or
time
anything
we
with
found
that.
this, she was gone to school, so we were
Oh,
like,
so I kind of didn't worry about it.
you know, I don't think it was ever anything insane. And
Just little
she was
amounts like
already
that.
gone, so it was like, okay, well.
Okay.
Kind of hoping that she comes back, but that's exactly her
No,
and him.
This is the last time?
it's done there. So looks like whatever that is and a case of water.
Uh-huh.
I have the receipt saved. It's just not up right now.
Oh yeah. So I think the other case
Pause.
was the COVID test. I remember looking at this video.
What they paid for today or on that one, was water. So whatever that little thing is.
They didn't pay for whatever that was, yeah.
Right. Well, it was never that big, but we were.
Yeah, like a little red bag or something.
Yeah.
But it's enough to get fired.
Definitely.
For sure.
She was just already gone. So we have selection on this one. This one might be the COVID test.
Janky ass old cameras. Yeah.
Yeah, COVID test, but she had something under her hand. Because what she paid for was
A
a
water
spray
bottle.
for $1.
Yeah. COVID test for $1.
Yeah.
Man, you got me paranoid about the freaking baby
Well, we
formula.
have.
Because they got flies full on the shelf.
Yeah.
Today someone took baby formula?
No.
No, but the ones that always seal it hit the flock. That's why I was here.
Oh.
Out in the parking lot looking for
Gotcha.
them. Already been to Target,
fireworks.
Kohl's.
Oh, it is fireworks. There's July 4th. There was a $20 or $30 pack of fireworks, and that box is like $20. Just the mortars.
What she paid for was.
2 spray bottles.
Really?
Yeah, I remember this. I believe.
Yeah.
You come in on Thursday and talk to our judge
About that, yeah.
and get a city warrant.
I'm surprised I haven't met that one. I met the one when I was in Woodstock because we get a lot of stuff.
Did
through the city where it's
even
like
put
part
her
of the
in
county here.
Yeah.
We get a lot more city tour.
And be charged like.
Scarlett, do you have no flight?
That'd be felony.
And then they pick her on all.
Code 4.
Oh, we have these on warrant.
Yeah, because the fourth one would be felony.
3 of it. They're all in Aurora already.
So 3, and
3
this
events,
would have
9360.
does go through, and this today would have been 4.
Yeah, today would have been 4.
Yeah.
So it should have everything.
Like, so
on
that's
here.
what I would do then. If y'all are wanting to press charges on these previous dates, I would try to go to the judge on Thursday, because clearly they don't care. They're going to keep doing it.
If she used a card today, we can actually go back and run her card.
See if we got for anything else.
Other days, I'm sure there's more then.
Yeah, because this, we quit watching her. because
She left.
quit coming in
Yeah.
here.
First
We
time
haven't
we
seen
have her
her.
is August. See, what's it for us though?
Yeah.
Because is it with y'all? It's 2 years,
For what?
like statute of limitations, or
I mean, that's state.
say.
No.
Okay. See, I don't know what Walmart's policy about.
I can ask Andy and see what he
Going back.
says. Because if we could run their card and stuff today, because they're together almost every time they're here.
Yeah.
And then see if we can build any more, and we'll find more. And that way it'll help stick it, it'll look a little better, especially if it's one, at least one more case from this year. It'll look a lot better if I present it to the judge. She was an associate. We were gonna fire her, she went on leave, so we were waiting for her to return so we could interview her, talk to her.
And she never did.
And she
This case involves Georgia Code Section 16-8-14, theft by taking, which occurs when someone unlawfully appropriates property with intent to deprive the owner. The subject stole approximately $40 in merchandise. Under Georgia law, theft under $1,500 is a misdemeanor. What elevated this case was the pattern. Surveillance documented 3 previous thefts while she was employed, totaling over $140 across 4 incidents. Georgia's shopkeeper's privilege under Section 51-7-60 allows merchants to detain suspected thieves for reasonable investigation when based on reasonable suspicion. Walmart had clear video documentation establishing that reasonable suspicion before calling police. This provided legal protection for their detention. The skip scanning technique involves appearing to scan items while deliberately bypassing certain products. This demonstrates criminal intent, not accidental oversight. When documented across multiple dates, it defeats any claim of innocent mistake and establishes a pattern of deliberate theft. Each theft is a separate prosecutable offense. The statute of limitations for misdemeanor theft is 2 years under Section 17-3-1. All 4 incidents fell within this window, making them prosecutable. Pattern evidence transforms isolated incidents into systematic criminal behavior. Employee theft carries additional legal weight because it involves breach of trust and abuse of insider knowledge about security systems and monitoring gaps. Without identification, Walmart could not verify identity. When theft exceeds $25 and subjects have no ID, their policy requires police notification. The officer faced a critical decision: citation or custodial arrest. For cooperative subjects in low-value misdemeanor cases, citation is legally appropriate. This represents efficient use of criminal justice resources while ensuring accountability. The citation requires mandatory court appearance. Under Georgia Code Section 42-8-102, misdemeanor theft carries potential penalties of up to $1,000 in fines and up to 12 months in jail. The officer provided strategic prosecution advice. Present all 4 incidents together in court. This is tactically sound. Multiple incidents presented together demonstrate pattern rather than isolated mistake. It establishes ongoing criminal behavior and intent to defraud. Under Georgia's sentencing guidelines, multiple convictions for the same crime type committed over time result in harsher penalties than single offenses. Pattern evidence is the difference between a defendant claiming accident and prosecutors proving deliberate criminal enterprise. The responding officer receives a grade of B+. His investigation was thorough, legally sound, and he provided valuable strategic guidance. He correctly applied the citation versus arrest standard based on subject cooperation, misdemeanor nature, and efficient resource use. His advice to present all 4 incidents together demonstrates understanding of pattern evidence and its prosecutorial impact. He clearly explained the court process and understood statute of limitations issues. This was professional, competent police work. The subject receives a grade of D-. Her systematic theft over multiple occasions using insider knowledge demonstrates clear criminal intent. 3 thefts occurred while she was a trusted employee. Skip scanning across multiple visits defeats any claim of innocent mistake. She returned to steal from her former employer even after the employment relationship ended, showing remarkable lack of judgment. While she was cooperative after being caught, this is the bare minimum expected behavior and does not excuse the underlying criminal conduct. Walmart Asset Protection receives a grade of B. They successfully documented the pattern with clear surveillance footage across multiple dates. They understood legal requirements and coordinated professionally with law enforcement. However, their timing was strategically flawed. They delayed prosecution while the subject was on leave, allowing her to simply resign and avoid internal consequences. When employee theft is discovered, immediate action is critical. Delays give subjects control over outcomes by disappearing. Key lessons from this case. First, documentation is everything in retail theft prosecution. Video evidence with clear timestamps and multiple camera angles creates an irrefutable record. Pattern documentation defeats accident claims. Second act, promptly when employee theft is discovered, delaying action gives subjects opportunity to resign and avoid consequences. Third, multiple low-value thefts prosecuted together demonstrate criminal intent and justify enhanced sentencing. A single $40 theft is 1 charge. 4 thefts totaling $140 is a criminal pattern with serious consequences. Fourth, employee theft is treated more seriously than customer shoplifting because employees have insider knowledge of security vulnerabilities. They know camera positions, monitoring schedules, and system weaknesses. This makes their theft more calculated and more harmful. Fifth, citation versus arrest decisions should balance subject cooperation, offense severity, and efficient resource use while ensuring accountability. Not every misdemeanor requires custodial arrest. Citations accomplish legal objectives with far less resource expenditure. Finally, pattern evidence transforms prosecution strategy. Present related incidents together to demonstrate systematic criminal behavior. This is the difference between a defendant walking away with minimal consequences and facing meaningful accountability. What are your thoughts on this case? Was the citation appropriate, or should arrest have been made given the pattern? Should Walmart have prosecuted when the first employee thefts were discovered? Let us know in the comments below. Thank you for watching. If there's an interaction or legal topic you'd like us to discuss, let us know in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for even more police interaction and courtroom content.